Hello everyone. Today I will guide you through how to fix a STIEBEL ELTRON water heater that is not working. The first thing you need to check is the power. Many water heater issues happen because the unit is not receiving electricity. Go to your main electrical panel and look at the circuit breaker. Make sure it has not tripped. If it has, switch it back on. Next, you should check the water flow. Tankless water heaters depend on a minimum flow to activate. If the flow is too low, the heater will stay off. You can test this by running the hot water fully open. If the stream looks weak, your heater may not be receiving enough water pressure. If power and flow seem fine but you still have no hot water, the inlet filter inside the heater might be blocked. Over time, dust or mineral buildup can collect there. Turn off the water supply, open the filter cap, and rinse the filter under clean water. Place it back and test the unit again. Another thing to check is the internal reset button. Many STIEBEL ELTRON models have a safety switch that turns the heater off when it overheats. Pressing the reset button can bring the unit back to normal. You usually find this button behind the front cover. By following these steps, you can fix this problem in most cases. Thanks for watching.